Never mind this cheap ass lip. We'll see if we can make it work, but I just bought a cheap lip to see how bad the bumper was. But I also bought this cheap ass like front radiator power bar thing. And I'm gonna try to bolt it up and see how off it is. It's looking like it wants to use these two bolt holes, not the ones for the crash bar that we previously removed. So I'll pull these bolts, and I guess these ones too, and relocate the horn and see. I'm thinking this might be a little pushed in though. And I kind of already see how that hole isn't really lined up. That bolt kind of was a bitch to get out of there. Doesn't appear to be too messed up. Yeah, it looks like this piece kind of got pushed in on this corner just a little bit there. Maybe grab something, weld something to it and pull it. I don't know. First is looking like this. It's actually not too bad. Let's see. All right, got the bolts in the non-wrecked side. And it looks like we get the bolts in. Not press that in, going in. Going in by hand. Still not touching the intercooler. Oh, it's really close there. Looks like it might be touching there. I mean, that thing bolted up pretty well for, I mean, I guess it's all the way slid over. This one's towards the center. Those are all the way to the left. So, but it bolted up. I need to get a replacement headlight so I can see if it'll light up. Put the power brakes thing in there. It doesn't look too bad. I kind of like the look of them. I have the tabs on a new bumper. I think I'm gonna just get a replacement. One that's not so tattered up. Like, this one's got holes in it. Obviously got all ground down from when the dude ran it over. And then like back here, this would require like a ton of Bondo to make this proper. And I want that to be a good body line, so I'm gonna just try to get a better replacement bumper. And pull these guys out. damage the small amount of holding force that still has. Pull that tattered guy out, because we got brand new black ones. We got MR mats. They were pretty much the same price, and they're black. And all the other interior pieces in here are black. I like it. Looks good. Pull everything off the front end and then clean everything really well though. Paint that thing. Paint the valve cover. Get a replacement coil pack cover. It's also misfiring, so replace the coil packs or go to a coil on plug setup. And 10 mil. Oop, yes it is. Motherfucker. Well, anyways, I wanted to take that off to get this speaker system cable off of there. But I lost the nut back there somewhere. Gotta go find it. And then also I was looking, this battery's oversized. The tray stops here, but the battery goes like another, can't really see, low light. But so let's get a new battery. This is what I did when I took out that boost controller. I just teed it with a slider for fishing. There's that nut. I wonder if it fell all the way down here. I don't see it. I'll get back. Well, I couldn't find the nut, so we'll go in here. Yep, that'll work. Thanks to the Adam LZ drift kit, nut and bolt kit. If you guys don't have this, don't sleep on it. All these different size lengths, 10 millimeter bolts, super useful. I've used so much stuff out of it. I need to reorder the larger size. Use those for seat bolts, S13. But that thing comes in handy all the time. All kinds of different stuff. And then it beats digging through the bowl of bolts or this old piece of shit. So, and everything's really nice. It's all zinc coated and looks nice. So I bought this really shitty $120 lip from, it actually wasn't even eBay or Amazon. It was from the company. But it doesn't seem like it's gonna fit too well. They didn't really grind down any of these. These are supposed to be like the thickness of the Sharpie that slip into the bumper, that like indent into them. So I would have to grind these down into the proper shape to fit. And it looks like it's got a big old fucking divot in there, which it doesn't have on this side. So I would assume, I mean, maybe that'll come out with leaving it out in the sun, but I've had it out of the box for like 4 days now and it still hasn't popped back up. Really thinking about just returning it. But what I was thinking was take this blue painter's tape and I ran it all the way along the bottom portion of the bumper. But you can see in here where the light is showing through. Those are all the small indentations for the lip, the factory lip to sit into. So what I was gonna go around and do was mark where all those were. Like so, with a Sharpie, and then take it and use it as a template to shape those down the size. I don't know what the fuck these are for. I'll just cut these off, I guess. But I don't know. Fuck this lip. Crumple this shit up. I don't know what I'm doing. And I was getting in here with the angle grinder wire wheel and then this one and then also the wire brush. Just going around this whole thing. Anywhere there's any rust or any built up debris all around this knuckle. Cleaning it up. Next I'll get in here with some degreaser and detailer and probably toss this guy back on the impact and get in here and scrub everything down and then spray it down and then shop vac everything up and just try to clean up these wheel wells and maybe I'll pull the coilovers off and clean them too. Sorry, more cleaning. This is what happens when we're waiting for parts and we are broke. We just start to clean things.
You fucker.
What?
Oh, I don't know. I feel the pressure.
It's stuck on now.
I mean, it's on now.
Rub it in, peel the fucking transfer off. We'll see how it looks. Is it gonna fucking be super strong transfer and take the lettering with it?
Dude, I don't know. Give it a minute just to. I think I got fingernails. No, it's Gucci.
Sheesh. Looks great. Actually boosted. We're jackasses, but I just installed a wideband 02 in Spencer's RX-7 and it was going super lean, so we went into the Apexi Power FC and just added more fuel in the injector adjustment. time, one more time. That was fucking good. Sorry, this video was kind of all over the place, guys. I've been trying to get stuff done, trying to order parts for this thing. It's really expensive, so I had to save up a bunch of money and buy headlights and all the different stuff you've seen. But like you saw, I got the brakes installed. I still need to bleed them. I want to get in here and detail all this stuff too. And then also, we just got this white bumper, much better condition. Just kind of mocked up right now. You guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you all for watching. I'm gonna keep trying to post as many videos as I can as I get stuff done on this. Yep.